Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the SAT. Preparing for the SAT in 2 months is achievable with a structured approach. Begin by understanding the test's format, which includes sections like reading, writing and language, and math. Take a full-length diagnostic test to pinpoint your current skill level and areas needing improvement. This initial assessment will guide your study plan, allowing you to focus your efforts effectively over the next 8 weeks. During your first month, concentrate on a thorough review of all SAT content areas. Spend time understanding the fundamental math concepts, grammar rules, and reading comprehension strategies. Work through practice problems for each section daily. Aim to complete 2 full-length practice tests during these 4 weeks, reviewing every answer to understand your mistakes and reinforce learning. For your second month, shift your focus to refining strategies and addressing specific weaknesses. Analyze your previous practice tests to identify recurring error patterns. Practice time management techniques and learn how to approach different question types efficiently. Complete 2 or 3 more full-length practice tests under timed conditions, simulating the actual test environment as closely as possible. In the final 2 weeks, avoid cramming new material. Instead, review your notes, focus on high-yield concepts, and practice a few short sets of questions. Ensure you get adequate sleep and maintain a healthy diet. The day before the test, prepare your admission ticket, photo ID, pencils, and an approved calculator. Arrive at the test center early, feeling calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.